guys, welcome you all to the PC Tips Pro. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create garden maintenance website. So if you want to create your attractive websites, then without learning any programming languages like HTML and Java, you can go with this WordPress platform. So before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel PC Tips Pro. Before we move further to this topic, let me tell you that they require two basic requirements. The first requirement is the domain. That means you need to buy a domain, and the second is you need to buy a hosting. So guys, let's proceed further to this. First of all, you can open your browser and on the browser search for domain racer, or you can directly go to the website which is domainracer.com. So guys, here I'm not going to buy the hosting because I already having it with Domain Racer and I really love their services because they have very great services. They also have instant support. As you can see, the support chat is here. So you can directly contact to them. You can also contact to the salesperson if you are having any of the technical issues. So I am only going to buy the domain here. So guys, when you open the Domain Racer website, you can see domain is here. So click into this domain option and search for the domain. Also make sure while searching for a domain, try to search for the name which is relevant to your website. It means the keyword of your website should be in domain. So talking about garden maintenance website, I'll search for my garden and then click into search option. And guys, now you can see there's many options available. The first domain is mygardengroup.com, the second one is mygardenstore.xyz, and the third is my-garden-store.com. So guys, if you are a developer and digital marketer, then I'll suggest you to go with .com domain because the .com domain will show your presence globally and it will also help to rank your website on top. So now once you select the .com domain, you just need to click into add to cart. Now you can go back to the web hosting, but as I earlier said that I already having hosting with Domain Racer, so I'm skipping this hosting part. Now we will move to the second part to set up your hosting. So again, you need to go back to the Domain Racer website and then on the top you can see this login option. So click into this login option and now you have your credentials to log in. This is the same credentials which you have created at the time of signing up the account with the Domain Racer. So use the same credentials to log into the account, and once you log into your account, you can see the active products and services. So you can see your active product services from here. Once you click on the shared hosting and domain, you will get the Cpanel login credentials and the link also. So guys, from here I am directly going to the Cpanel and then enter ID and password and click into login option. And now you can see the Cpanel account here. Once you log into the Cpanel account, scroll down it completely down to bottom, and in the software menu you will able to see WordPress Manager by Domain Racer. So click into this option and now you can see WordPress management is here. Also you have three different options: install, scan and manage sites. So click into install option. And now here we are going to install the WordPress in our Cpanel hosting. And now guys, on the top you can see it's asking to choose the version. So always try to choose the latest version. That will be good for your interface of the WordPress dashboard. And now here it's coming for the site name. So it was my garden. And now site description. So for example, I am here taking it as, hey, this is my garden site. And now also it's asking for ID and the password, so you can choose it according to your needs. So I'm keeping it as same, admin and admin. And now select language, I'm choosing it as English. Now this is the last part to select the theme. So first of all, click into show all theme, and now from here I'll search for the garden. As you can see, there's no match found, so I'll click into all option and then only select from these themes. So guys, I think it would be better related to the garden. So if you want to see the demo, then you can click into this demo option. So finally I'm going to select this theme only and then click into the install option. As you can see, it's installing now. So it might take some time. As you can see, this may take up to 3 to 4 minutes. You can read it from here. It depends upon your internet speed, how fast your internet is working. So let it be guys, because this is the mandatory part. We can't skip this part. Now after completing the second part, you can move to the last part, that how can you customize your theme and how you can give the right and attractive look to your website. So let's move to the third part guys. Now you are done with the installation part, and as you can see on screen, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now you have given two different links. When you click into the first link, you can be able to see how your website will look like. Now coming back to the second link, which is administrative URL, from where you can go ahead to the customized website. That means it will be your WordPress dashboard. So click on this link and you will redirect to the WordPress dashboard. And as you can see, so talking about the role of this dashboard, so let me tell you, this dashboard will let you to make changes to your website. As you can see, either you can customize your website from here or you can change the theme completely. You can also make changes to this from left side. Like if you want to add any post, then you can click into this post option. Also, if you want to add any media file like photos, audios, videos, then you can do it from here. If you want to make changes in comments or manage your comments, then you can do it from here. Also, if you want to make any other user to handle your website, then just click into users option and then add new. So guys, coming back to the website, on the top you can see my garden. If you remember, it was the name of the website I have given at the time of the installation. And in the heading you can see, hey, this is my garden site. And if you remember, it was the description I have given at the time of the installation. So these all are the demo photos you can see. You can also change all of them. You just need to go back to your dashboard, and then here you can see start customizing option. So click into this option and here it will let you to make changes to your website. Let's suppose if you want to make changes in the header, footer, template pages, then you just click into this option and then header part. As you can see, it's preparing interface for the same. And now you can able to make changes to your header part. Also, if you want to make changes to your home page, then click into this home page. As you can see, it's preparing interface for the home page. By scrolling down, you can change anything according to you. Maybe it's content or images or templates. So guys, I hope it will help you to start your own garden maintenance website. That's it for today. Keep watching PC Tips Pro.